Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, November the 12th at Dollar General, and I have a total of 6 awesome deals to share with you all. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright, so first up, just in case anybody missed any of the videos that I've uploaded so far this week, this makes number 6, and by the end of the day, I will have 7 videos uploaded for you all. So first, we started out on Sunday with the new coupons and glitches video. Then on Monday, we went over all of the new clearance markdowns. We have a ton of 90% off items at DG right now, plus some really good penny items to be on the lookout for. Next, we had a run deal on the General Mills cereal. Then we went on to the good deals and glitch list. In that video, there was a total of 23 glitches, if I'm remembering correctly. And then we also have a 3-day sale going on right now at DG with some really good deals. So if you missed out on any of those videos, I'm going to have them linked in the pinned comment down below for you all. And make sure that you stay tuned, because I will also be uploading the Family Dollar 5 off $25 scenarios video later today. Alright, so for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, because they are simply just that. They are a glitch in the system. So it is very important when you are in the store to scan each and every item with your DG app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check, because prices can vary from store to store. Now, the first 2 scenarios that we're going to go over are gain deals. So again, it is very important to scan. You want to make sure that the Gain DG Store coupon shows up underneath each and every Gain or Gain scented product that you choose, because that Gain DG Store coupon does not always work with all Gain products or all Gain scented products. So for our first scenario, you want to pick up one of the Gain liquid laundry detergents priced at $5.50, one of the Gain laundry products priced at $4.50. You can choose from the flings, the powdered laundry detergent, the fabric softeners, the fireworks, or the sheets, 2 of the Gain scented Febreze air fresheners at $3.25 each, or you could also pick up the car clips or the wax melts. Just make sure that they attach to that Gain DG Store coupon. Then pick up 2 of the Gain dish soaps. Those are on sale, 2 for $5, 3 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste at $1 each, one of the Emergency 2 counts at $1, and one of the Vicks 20 count cough drops at $1. That's going to bring your subtotal to $26.50. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need your 5 off 25, your 5 off 20 Gain DG Store coupon, the 1 off 1 Gain liquid laundry detergent, the 1 off 1 Gain laundry product, the $3.30 off 2 Febreze products, the 50-cent off 1 Gain dish soap, the 50-cent off 1 Gain dish soap from the P&G insert, the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B products, the 1 off 1 Crest toothpaste, the 1 off 1 Emergency, and the 1 off 1 Vicks product. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $4.20 for 10 items, making each one just 42 cents each. Now, if you don't have that 50-cent off 1 insert coupon from the P&G insert, don't worry about it. Your subtotal after coupons will be $4.70 for 10 items, making each one just 47 cents each. Alright, now for our second Gain deal, you want to pick up one of the Gain liquid laundry detergents priced at $5.50, one of the Gain laundry products priced at $4.50, 4 of the Gain scented Febreze air fresheners priced at $3.25 each, 3 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste priced at $1 each, 1 of the Crest with Scope mouthwash priced at $1, 1 of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes at $1. That's going to put your subtotal at $28. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need your 5 off 25 DG Store coupon, your 5 off 20 Gain DG Store coupon, the 1 off 1 Gain liquid laundry detergent, the 1 off 1 Gain laundry product, the $3.30 off 2 Febreze products, the buy one get one free Febreze P&G insert coupon. That's going to take off $3.25, the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B, the 1 off 1 Crest toothpaste, the 1 off 1 Crest mouthwash, the 1 off 1 Oral-B toothbrush. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $3.45 for 11 items, making each one just 31 cents each. Alright, next up we have a food deal. So for this one, you want to pick up 4 boxes of the Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal. They're on sale, 2 for $5. 7 of the YoPlate yogurt singles. They're priced at 85 cents each. 1 pack of the extra gum at $1.35. 1 can of the Nitro Pepsis at $2. 2 of the Barilla pasta noodles at $1.75 each. 2 of the Clover Valley 4-pound bags of sugar at $2.65 each. 3 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1 each. 1 of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes at $1. 1 of the Vicks 20 count cough drops at $1. And that's going to put your subtotal at $33.10. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 2 off 10 General Mills DG store coupon, 2 of the 1 off 2 General Mills cereals digital coupons, the 50-cent off 5 Yoplait yogurts, 40 cents off 2 Yoplait yogurts, the 50-cent off 1 extra gum, the 1 off 2 Barilla noodles, the buy one get one free Clover Valley sugar, that's going to take off $2.65, the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B, the 1 off 1 Crest toothpaste, the 1 off 1 Oral-B toothbrush, and the 1 off 1 Vicks product. That's going to bring your subtotal down to $13.05 for 22 items. But this still gets even better because right now on Fetch Rewards we have a 200-point bonus for the extra gum. So you're going to submit your receipt to Fetch and get back 20 cents on the gum. And then we also have a 1,000-point bonus for the Nitro Pepsi. So you're also going to get back $1 when you submit your receipt to Fetch. But the rebates don't stop there because right now on Ibotta we have a $1 rebate when you purchase 2 of the General Mills cereals, and then we also have a 50-cent rebate back when you purchase the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. So all in all, you're going to get $2 back for purchasing all 4 boxes of those Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereals. And then it gets even better because we also have a rebate back on the Yoplait yogurts for $1.29 whenever you purchase 6. And that is going to make your final price $8.56 for all 22 items, making each one just 38 cents each. All right, so we are halfway through the deals now, and I wanted to take a quick second and make sure that everybody's had enough time to leave those smiles down in the comment section below for me. If you haven't done that already, right now will be the perfect time to do that because you guys know it absolutely makes my day seeing all of your wonderful smiling faces in the comments underneath the videos. Plus, that is a quick, easy, and free way that y'all can help support this channel, and we all love free stuff around here, right? So go ahead and leave a smile down in the comment section below and hit that thumbs up button while you're at it. Now, if everybody's had enough time to do that, let's go ahead and jump back into the deals. Alright, now for our next scenario, you want to pick up one of the Angel Soft 8-count Mega Roll bath tissues at $5.95, one of the Airwick Essential Mist starter kits at $11.50, one of the finished 12-count dishwasher tablets at $3.85, one of the Lysol multi-purpose cleaners for $1 found in the dollar aisle, 3 of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes at $1 each, one of the Crest with Scope mouthwash at $1, and one of the Emergency 2 counts at $1. That's going to put your subtotal at $27.30. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 175 off 1 Angel Soft bath tissue. That is a new coupon, so make sure that y'all have that clipped to your account. The 5 off 1 Airwick Essential Mist starter kit, the 150 off 1 finished product, the 50-cent off 1 Lysol product, the 1 off 1 Oral-B toothbrush, the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B products, the 1 off 1 Crest mouthwash, and the 1 off 1 emergency product. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $7.55 for 9 items. But this deal gets even better because right now on Ibotta we have a $5 rebate back on the Airwick Essential Mist starter kits. Plus, we also still have that finished rebate for $1.25 back on the finished Powerball dishwasher tablets. So that is going to make your final price $1.30 for all 9 items, making each one just 14 cents each. And I think this is a fantastic deal and definitely one that I'm going to try to be doing on Saturday. Alright, now for this next scenario, we're going to include the Downy deal that I told you all about earlier in the week. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Downy Unstoppable scent beads at $5, 2 of the Downy Unstoppable Febreze products. You can choose from the wax melts or the air freshener sprays at $4 each, one of the Airwick Essential Mist starter kits at $11.50, one of the finished 12-count dishwasher tablets at $3.85, 3 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste at $1 each, one of the Crest with Scope mouthwash at $1, one emergency 2-count at $1, and one of Vicks 20-count cough drops at $1. That's going to put your subtotal at $34.35. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25 DG store coupon, the 2 off 3 Downy DG store coupon, the 1 off 1 Downy product, the $3.30 off 2 Febreze products, the 5 off 1 Airwick Essential Mist starter kit, the 150 off 1 finished product, the 1 off 1 Crest toothpaste, the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B products, the 1 off 1 Crest mouthwash, the 1 off 1 emergency, and the 1 off 1 Vicks. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $9.55 for 11 items. But then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get $5 back on the Airwick Essential Mist starter kits and also $1.25 back on the finished Powerball dishwasher tablets. And that's going to make your final price $3.30 for all 11 items, making each one just 23 cents each. Alright, now for our next scenario, we have a personal care deal. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Dial body washes at $3.45, one of the Schick Intuition razors at $7.75, one of the Tresemme hair masks at $2, one of the Degree men's deodorants at $2.65, one of the Palmer's 2.1 ounce lotions at $3.35, two of the Old Spice travel size deodorants at $1.25 each, three of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes at $1 each, one of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste at $1, one Emergency 2 count at $1, and one Vicks 20 count cough drops at $1. That's going to bring your subtotal to $27.70. Alright, and here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25 DG store coupon, the 1 off 1 Dial body wash, the 4 off 1 Chic Intuition razor, the 1 off 1 Tresemme product, the 1 off 1 Degree deodorant DG store coupon, and the 1 off 1 Degree deodorant, the 150 off 1 Palmer's lotion, the 1 off 2 Old Spice deodorant, the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B, the 1 off 1 Oral-B toothbrush, the 1 off 1 Crest toothpaste, the 1 off 1 Emergency product, and the 1 off 1 Vicks product. And that's going to put your subtotal after coupons down to $5.20 for 13 items, making each one just 40 cents each. Alright guys, so I think we have some amazing deals to look forward to for this Saturday at Dollar General. And don't forget, we still have that 3-day sale going on, and Saturday will be the last day. So again, if you guys missed out on any of those videos that I've posted this week, I'm going to leave the full list in the pinned comment down below. And don't forget to hit that bell and turn on your notifications, because I will be uploading the Family Dollar 5 off $25 scenarios, good deals, and glitches video later today. So you guys be on the lookout for that. And with all that being said, that is going to be it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video. And before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so, because we would love to have you as a part of our crazy couponing family here. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you on the next one.